Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use beauty sponge for the application of foundation and concealer. So let's start the video. So I'll be using this beauty sponge. This is from PAC. This is a good inexpensive sponge. So just in case you're looking for a good beauty sponge, this one is worth buying. Before using the sponge, place it under the tap water, squeeze off all the excess water using your hand, and further take a towel like this, wrap it under it and squeeze off the remaining of the excess water from this beauty sponge. Once that is done, your sponge is ready to use. Now we'll be using this round bottom to apply the foundation on the bigger areas of our face by tapping it gently, and for the areas like under your eyes, around your nose, along your lips, we'll be using this pointy edge. Let's begin the application. Now I'll be taking my favorite L'Oreal True Match foundation in the shade Golden Beige. And taking this side of the sponge, I'll be dabbing the product gently on my face. So I start dabbing the product right from the cheeks, taking it to my chin, around my mouth, and then to my another cheek. And I'm just bouncing the product onto my face very gently, and then covering my nose. And whatever is left in the sponge, I take that product to the forehead so that I don't end up applying too much on my forehead and it looks natural. Now for the areas like around my nose and mouth, I take this pointy edge, I take some product and I start dabbing it around the smaller areas.
Take it all back, hate the things that you said, 'cause I wish you didn't mean it. Under attack, running far, far away, and I'd rather keep my distance from you. You don't gotta lie to me.
So now you can see that the finish looks natural and seamless. Now moving on to concealer, I'm using the Oreal Pro concealer in the shade Pure Beige, and I'm taking the product at the back of my hand so that I don't end up applying too much under my eyes. So now I'll be applying the concealer under my eyes, on my eyelids, and I'm taking the pointy edge of this sponge and very gently applying this concealer under my eyes to cover my dark circles. And I'm also applying the concealer over my eyelids.
Confession I shouldn't have spoke, 'cause you didn't feel the same way about me, and it's eating me alive all of the time. So I'd rather keep my...
This is the most delicate area of our face, so you got to be really gentle while applying the products under it. Now I'll set my face using loose powder. I'm using this Maybelline loose powder in the shade medium. I'm using the same beauty sponge to set my eyes. And I'll just dust off the excess. Now we'll complete the rest of my face and we'll be right back. So I completed the look with blush, mascara, kajal and lipstick. I hope you all find this video useful. Please let me know in the comment section what applicators do you use to apply your foundation and concealer, and which brand is your favorite. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I'll be posting a new video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'm going to see you in my next. Till then, keep smiling, stay positive. Bye.